Hello, brave explorers. Today we're heading to the Arctic, one of the coldest places on our planet. First question, who's the mighty hunter of the ice? That's the polar bear, the largest land carnivore and an excellent swimmer too. Next, meet the Arctic fox, small but clever with fur that changes color, from brown in summer to white in winter, perfect for camouflage. And look there, the walrus, with long tusks and a big blubbery body. Even in the harsh Arctic, life thrives in incredible ways. Remember, explorers, protect our frozen world. Like and subscribe for more icy adventures with your teacher, Happy the Strong Orange Cat.